Good morning everybody. I'm out on the water this morning chasing a few bass. I'm doing it in something different. I'm doing it in a paddler plus second cast in, and I got a very nice bass. So I had to do a big trek, go a few over a rapid. Work has paid off for the first of the morning. I am throwing a crank just to see what's happening. I will throw surface. It is 6 o'clock. I got my first bass. Didn't come out easy. Smashed it. There you have it, guys. Nice bass. It's ready to go. It's kicking away. Off he goes. Yep. We got another bass here. It's only a smaller one. Beautiful condition fish. Just took the second cast to make this guy commit to my lure. Oh. That was a solid take. It's the only thing with a sitting kayak. When you get a good bass, they really tow you in. And it makes it very difficult to control the fish and paddle at the same time and get out from the snag. That's why I fish out of a hobie, but today, because I had to go down a rapid, I had to use this sit-in kayak. I can drag it. I don't like dragging my hobie. I don't want to pay thousands of dollars for nothing just to scratch it. Where I've got a sit-in kayak, a couple of $100, does its job and don't care if I scratch it. We're having a great morning so far. Got another little bass, got a couple of sores on him. Smashed me very hard for his size. But a lot of fun. Things have gone a little bit quiet, so I'm actually changing lures now. I'm actually going to be using a bet spin on a 3-inch bass grub. So we'll give this a go and see if that makes a bit of a difference. Sometimes it's good to mix up and change, see what works. Alright, I'm going to try something different now. Oh, that was a fish. Good take. Sucked it in. Wow. Missed that bite. Very quietly inhaled it. Didn't even make a splash or anything. And took it. Wow, I was very surprised. I saw the strike on me line and it was way too slow. Never mind, it's all good. Sometimes a colour change does make a difference. I didn't have the camera recording and went to cast my lure and it got smashed off the surface. There we have it, guys. Another small bass. I haven't had much luck in the last hour or so trying to find the bigger ones, but yeah, bass all the same, no matter what size. A lot of fun to catch, very aggressive. See you, buddy. Oh, wow. They hit hard, these little bass. Pull the kayak and all. Very aggressive little takers. They smashed that lure. You really smashed it. Cute little fish though. See you, buddy. Well, legends, I come out this morning just for a short trip. I got a few bass. Got a good one earlier this morning. So yeah, all in all, it was not a bad session. Sort of quietened off in the last hour and a half, couple of hours. So they sort of shut down. So yeah, I'm gonna make the long trek back and yeah, head off home and retie and put new lures on and new leaders. So either tomorrow or the next day, we'll see what happens. It was nice to be out and no one on the water. It was peaceful, it's quiet, it's gone overcast, water's dead flat, and unfortunately the fishing has died off. But anyway, if you like the content, guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like, thumbs up, leave a comment if you wish, and until next time, thanks for watching, guys.